Jeez.
There's a lot of water in there. Hold it in the front, son.
Alright.
Insane amount of water.
Motherfucker. There we go. Look how pretty. We out here trying to get the decoys. A little hunt in the morning. But they're fucking gone. There's supposed to be 12 out here, right? There's no way. Oh, you can't see it, but there's 2 of them are right there. But you about to drop off. There she goes. Goodbye, Anthony.
Alright, my ass is wet.
You're already wet. Dude, good luck finding them bitches. None of this was fucking here. And we had like 10 decoys sitting out like right around here. Now there's grass everywhere. The decoys are nowhere to be found. This is our fucking blind we built. Notice how you've never seen a hunt out of it. Because it sucks. Not the blind, but the area. There's barely any ducks out here. It's not worth it to hunt it. So we built this dirty ass little blind. There wasn't enough ducks. I'm gonna put the AK in here. I'm gonna shoot that in a minute. Son, somebody probably jacked them decoys. How would they get them? They probably fucking used the kayak. Little alligator came nibbling. How many do you have?
2 in the boat, 3 right there.
Oh, so you do see 5? Yes, sir.
So I'm at the 6.
Yeah. Can you keep a secret? He found 2 more. Way the fuck over here. Got him ducking through trees. Yes, sir. Let me pause this music. Wait, get me copyrighted. Look at this, dude. Perfect little point. What the fuck?
Alright, so I got 7 here, 1 in the truck, so I'm missing 3.
There's 3 out here still. This shit is thick over here, son.
Yeah, fuck that. If you
Holy, but you can't even see water. Light 'em up. Got it. Fucking vlogging. Somebody's been hunting out here. The chain bands and me robbing jeans. Looks like a little fucking alligator slide.
How are you shooting the whole thing?
Fuck man, I only have like. Should I take out the little bald eagle?
No.
No, I don't have that many rounds.
Are you ready?
Alright, let me know when you're recording, I'll snap.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
They're right there, single.
Oh!
Oh, I was waiting for y'all to pull the trigger.
What the fuck just happened, son? Neither did mine.
I was following the birds, waiting for y'all.
Me and Chris, I heard both of us pull, son. There's just a click.
Wait, let him come back, Alright, yo, fucking water stopping, bitch. Y'all got any? I got 1.
I know we had to hit one. So.
That one's injured.
We
as
just
fuck
busted
right
it. I know we had to hit one of them.
Wait, y'all knocked down another one?
there. Yeah.
Where at?
I'm pretty sure I hit one right in the
Right
middle,
here.
right there.
And then there's
Yeah, I killed that one.
one or
I think
two
right in the
on
middle I shot.
I'm gonna go look.
I'm not gonna claim nothing, son.
I
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I just started busting.
I was waiting at it.
I'm just glad I shot that time.
Yeah, I think I see one float. I'm gonna go check it out. Shoot him in the water. See him?
Yeah.
Shoot him. Hurry up. Shoot. Oh, nice shot. Nice shot. You got him.
Oh yeah, Tony. Chris.
Yeah, everybody, 2 people shot. Hell yeah.
I had to get him off the water. You know, I don't. That's so cool, dude, scooting around over there.
Yeah, they're all over. You can tell when they're freaking bobbing their head like a nigga. Listen to some little boosted song.
Pulled it.
Oh yeah, the jam, bro.
Stop playing my duck, bitch.
Come on, man, he shot that one.
I know. Play with
Out of
me.
the 3 ducks I picked up, he shot that one.
That's the one.
All
Might
right.
have been it. No, it wasn't. I don't like it.
I fucking did it. It's like right
You
there.
didn't have to GoPro.
Huh?
You didn't even have to GoPro on.
No, I didn't, but I got the memory.
This is every good moment with the GoPro. He's got it on for everything. Chris killed 2. I killed 1.